Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove clock from lock screen on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on open. Now just tap on proceed and give this app these permissions. Now just tap on clock face. Now just tap on visit find lock homepage. And on this page, just select clock face. Now just scroll down and tap on scroll to available downloads. Now just select this version. Tap on scroll to available downloads and tap on this variant. And tap on download APK. Select download. Now just tap on open file. Select install. Tap on done. After that, just go back and select good lock. Now just download this APK. Select download and tap on open file. Select install, then select open. Now just tap on agree and continue. Now once you've done that, just go to your home screen and open the Find Lock app. Now just tap on clock face. Now just tap on the plus icon and tap on X. Now just tap on the trash icon over here and tap on plus. Now in this list, just select text. Now do not enter any text in here. Now just tap on download. Now just tap on the lock screen we have just created and tap on done. Now just select done. Now if you open your lock screen, you can see that we have successfully removed the clock from our lock screen. And this is how you can remove the clock from the lock screen on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.